Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff for another quick tip. Here's a way to get a really accurate center line on your board using a marking gauge. Finding the center of a board is a very common thing that you'll need to do in woodworking, so here's the fastest and most accurate way I know of doing it, with a marking gauge. Start by placing your marking gauge in what you think is the center of the board, as close as you can get, locking it down. And then just make a line from one side, make a line from the other side, and you'll see that they don't coincide exactly. Now all you have to do is put your new mark inside of that line, right between them. Then you can test it again. And it's still a little bit off, so I'll adjust it some more. Now I know my marking gauge is exactly in the center of the board and I can make very accurate cuts. This should help you a lot with your marking and your layout. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe.